Hi guys, my name is Michael. Today I'm going to show you how you can use MetaTrader 4 and how to download it. First, if you're using an Android phone, you go to the Play Store, click on it. Then you type into the search it's already out. You can see it here, MetaTrader 4. We have MetaTrader 5, but we're going to MetaTrader 4. Click on it. Now I have it already installed on my phone, but if it wasn't installed, it should say download right here, and I'll just click on download. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to update mine. See, I'll click on update, so it's updating it right now. So the first time you download MetaTrader 4, it's gonna be blank. You won't see any account there. You won't see, you won't be able to use any of the chats because you don't have an account. So likely you will have to create a demo account. So right now it's done updating, so I'm gonna click on open. Okay, now the first time you download the MetaTrader 4 app, you're not gonna see all these low price, high price. No, you're not going to see it low, high. So first, how to create a demo account. I'm going to show you how to create a demo account. So you're new to MetaTrader 4 and you want to create a demo account. How to go about it? First, you come to the top part, close to the quotes. You see a 3 line, click on them. Then a sub menu comes out. Then click on manage account. See? Then after manage account, come up here to this plus. Now when you come up to this plus, you see open a demo account. Then you'll see login to an existing account. If you have an existing account, you could just click on existing account. Then you search for your broker, which you're searching for the company you registered with. So right here we have Forex times. We could just type in another broker. See, so this is another broker. So depending on the broker that you're using, you could just type in the name, then click on it. Once you click on it, you put in your login details. After you click on your broker, then you put in your login details, then you sign in. But right now, I'm just going to open a demo account, which you just need to come to open a demo account, click on it, then you choose the broker you want to open an account to it. So let's go with Forex time. Then we type the name of the broker there, Forex time. Okay, so now we want to open. Now it now shows us type of account, and they're all demos accounts. So we have Forex time sent, we have Forex time ECN, we have Forex time standard. So I'm going to go with the standard account. Okay, so right now it's going to ask me for my personal information, which I have to put in my name, my phone number, email, account information. Now this part you don't have to put anything there. You could just choose. This is your leverage. Then you click, depending on how much leverage you want. I'll just go for the highest. Then the deposit. This is a demo account, so not exactly real money. So we have like, let's see, we have 50,000 to 25,000. So you can choose the amount you want. So I'll just go with let's just go with 5, the highest. Then currency type. So I can either trade with GDP, Euro, USD or Naira. I'm gonna try Naira. I'm gonna go with Naira. So once you put in your details, you now click on create account. Give a minute and let me put in my details, then I'll be back to sign in. Okay, now that the demo account is being created, I can see my details, my account type, deposit, the login and password. I advise you to write this down so that in case if you log out, you can easily log back into your demo account. So I have covered it. That's for security reasons, but it's a demo account, so no big deal. So let's move on to the next step. So basically, the basic information when you want to open a demo account is your name, your phone number, and your email. That's all you need to open a demo account. Okay? You notice now the currency pairs have appeared right here. Okay, now, okay. So basically, when you saw that everything was blank, that's how when you first download MetaTrader really looks like. It's gonna be blank. Once you put a demo account and everything appears, all disappears. So now if you want to switch to our demo account, click on the three lines, then click on manage account. So you can see that right here we're on our demo account. That's our demo account. So if you want to switch to any other demo account, just click on it and sign in and boom. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and also have links to other videos in my description, so feel free to check it out.
It's caught in the crossfire.